Hi, Cottage Preschoolers. Today is April 13th. It's Monday, and I thought let's do some science. And I thought let's start with mixing a solution. So we're going to use water, and water is a liquid, and we're going to use some solids and see what we get. So in each of these cups is just water, and this cup has nothing. I'm gonna add a little bit of baking soda. So here's my measuring spoon, and you just get a scoop of baking soda and you pop it in. And then the next one is water, and I'm gonna add citric acid. So citric acid is a solid, just like baking soda is a solid. Water is the liquid. And I'm just gonna get a small scoop of citric acid and dump it in, and then stop for a sec. Okay, and then we're gonna stir the baking soda in with just a stir stick. We're gonna stir in the citric acid. And sometimes I wear gloves when I do science experiments, but today I don't think I'm going to. And then you're going to add, this is red cabbage powder. And before I do that, hold on. A small scoop of red cabbage powder, that's what it looks like, into this solution, the baking soda. And then you can see that cool little reaction. 1 scoop of red cabbage powder into the citric acid. One color is turning blue, purple, and one is turning pink. That's a cool reaction, but remember, we're gonna make jiggly crystals. So what we need to do is go ahead and stir the baking soda with the red cabbage powder. Isn't that interesting that this is kind of a purplish red color, but when you mix it with baking soda, it turned blue. And then when you mix it with the citric acid, that's not a big surprise. It's kind of that reddish pinky color. Then we're going to pour a little bit of the blue. I better stir this a little bit better. Of the baking soda solution into the cup. And then we're going to mix some of the citric acid and make a new fizzing. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's fizzing. So that's our third cup. Okay, now stop. Okay, so we have blue and kind of a reddish pink, and we have purple. Now we're going to add another solid that is called polyacrylamide, and we're gonna use our scooper and get 2 scoops into the baking soda solution. 1, 2. Remember, can you say polyacrylamide? It's a big word. I can barely say it. 1. Oops. 2. 1. 2. That was short, a couple crystals. Then we're gonna stir it. What do you think might happen to this solution? The baking soda, the citric acid, and then this one's a combination. That means mixing these two to get this one. And adding the red cabbage powder. To find out what happens, we have to wait a couple hours. So come and join me back in a couple hours. Okay, guess what? You guys, our liquid turned into crystals. So this, remember we used baking soda, and I'm just gonna pour off a little bit of the liquid, but I want you to see, we made some jiggly crystals. Check those out. So it's, these tiny crystals were like little sponges, and they soaked up all the water. And they're squishy, if you could feel them. They're super squishy and soft. So those are very cool. I'm gonna pour off all this liquid. And then this one, the citric acid one, didn't work out too good. But this one, remember we did an acid and a base together, and it was the purpley crystals. Ta-da! So how fun is that? You were patient and we did some science. We made a liquid into a solid. So good job. I'm gonna put both together and mix them. They look like treasures. Ta-da! Science is so fun. Okay, thank you. Hey, good news. I woke up this morning and our experiment that we were making the crystals and the red cabbage powder and the citric acid and the polyacrylamide made jiggly crystals. Yay! I'm gonna pour them out so you can see them. They just needed a little bit more time, but they're squishy. Oh, so soft. These would be so fun to play with. And they're such a pretty color. So squishy. So that was a fun surprise. They just needed more time. So it was overnight that they formed into crystals. Ta-da!